Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. A heavy Sudoku in today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, June the 23rd, 2023. It's hot today and tomorrow also, and Sunday it will be almost 30 degrees Sunday. Yes, so we have a hot weekend. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve in the evening. But let me continue with the second regular puzzle, the Heavy Sudoku. Well, what's the news of today? Well, I've told you the leader of the Wagner Group, private military group, the leader Prigozhin, yeah, runaway to Belarus. Belarus, yes, Belarus. Well, you want to go to Moscow, but changed the plans, and he run away. Yes, is he a coward? We don't know. We'll see in the future, but I hope that the Ukraine military will win the war, end the war, because it's taking too long, the war. All right, Sudoku Heavy, number 6639. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, 28 printed digits I've already counted. Should be easier than a one-star puzzle in additional. For one-star puzzle with 27 printed digits, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We'll see if this is a really heavy Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Already 2 minutes passed. Let me see. How about the 2 in this column? 2 in that column. So the column between. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the second row. No 2 there. 2 should be there. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a... Oh, wait. We already have a 2 here. 2 in the last row. 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column. 2 in the third column. So the column between second column. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. Alright. We have a 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1. Okay, cannot continue with the 1 now. Need to wait. 4, 4. Well, how about the 4 in this row, the 4 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, second column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4's are used. I can see digit number 2 and number 4. Alright. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Then. Well, how about, yeah, two missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes. That means the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8. And the 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. Okay. And now. Let me see. How about the number? Well. 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 9. The 6 and the 5. Need a 5. Alright. How about 3 here. Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these two boxes. Here can be a 5 because we have a 5 in this column. No 5. There's the only place left for the 5. Should be there. 3, 8. Need a 7 here. Alright. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the third row. No 5 in these two boxes. Here, 5 in the last column. No 5 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5. Okay. Alright. And now, let me see. 9. Need a 5 here. 5 here. Alright. Come on. 9. Two missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and the 9, 8 and the 9. 1, 7. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 3, 7. 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7. And look, we have 1 and 7 in this middle row. So no 1 and a 7 in this box. 1 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. So one digit left in this big square for number 3. 3 in the third row. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So the row above the only 2 places left. 1, 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column. 3 in that column. Fourth column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. Let me mark those. Okay, that means in the last row, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the first column, so no 3 there. Here can be 3 because we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. And here can be 3 because we have 3 in this column next, so no 3 there. So only place level 3 in the last row. It should be there. Then. Need a 5 there. 5, yeah. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square, and one of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the middle row, so no 5 in these two boxes. Here, 5 in the second column, no 5 in those two boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those two boxes in the third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We see a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. Here, 5 in the second row, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. Two missing numbers in the first row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. And look, we have a 9 in the third column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 6, 6, okay. Need a 7 and 8, okay. And now, let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last row, so no 7 in these two boxes. Here's 7 in this column, no 7 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third row. 7 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Yeah. Alright. Two missing numbers. Well, wait. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and a 9. Let me mark those 8 and a 9. That means one box left in this row for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 6 is missing. One box left in this big square for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. One box left in the last column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6. Alright. How about 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9, 9, 9, okay, need a 9 there. Need a 9 there. 1, 1. How about? Need a 9 here. I'm thinking. 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8. 3, 7, 8. Come on. 3, 5, 6, 9. Yeah, I'm thinking. 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9. Come on. 2, well, we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the last row, so no 6 in this box. Here's 6 in the third column, so no 6 in that box. So the 6 could be here, could be there. Together with the 3, we have a pair. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. And look, we have another 6 in this row. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 3 goes there. 3 and 8, we have a 3 now in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 8 and a 9, we have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and then 9 goes there. Then one box left in the first column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. One box left in this column for number, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 9 and 8, we have a 9 now in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 8 goes there. The 8 in this row, the 8 in the middle row. So no row below. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the most, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 7, we have a 7 now in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for the most. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Finishing 15 minutes. Wow. Yeah. Maybe I talked too much in the beginning. But we solve it again. Heavy? No. I think it's a 1 star. Alright. Thank you for watching. And I will see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now. And have a great and fantastic Friday.